Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today I'm going to unpackage and review a case I got for my 14-inch MacBook Pro from Amazon. This is an affordable case that offers some protection to your shiny MacBook Pro. And I've decided to get this one because it was on offer at the time at Amazon. And I'll link in the description to where you too can purchase one of these UESWILL cases for the MacBook Pro 14. It does also come with a microfiber cloth. So packaging is pretty simple. It's a plastic bag. It has some interesting QR codes, but also most importantly, it tells us that custom designed covers let you express your classy sense of style. And this really does fit into the Tech Travel Geeks fashion trends that we've been seeing recently. As usual, made in China. Let's see what's here. So as we open the packaging, first thing that comes out is this lovely little microfiber cloth for cleaning your MacBook Pro screen and back. And it has UESWILL. But let's see what the UESWILL case has to say. So you've got details about checking your MacBook model. I have done so. It has a clear table telling you which model of device you have and which one is which. Now, just to check, this one says it's A2779 on here. So let's see what that means. Should be 14-inch A2779. So correct one. And then we'll look at this. This is the case itself. A2779 is the 14-inch MacBook Pro I have. So we're good to go to open this packaging. They do say that they probably get a lot of returns for people buying the wrong case for the wrong device. Now this UESWILL MacBook Pro case comes in different colors and different options. I went with navy blue. Oh, nice little tray. Looks like a biscuit packet tray. So this is for the bottom, obviously, and this is for the top. Now what we need to do, according to the instructions, is identify the clip spaces for each part. So what I'm going to do is take my MacBook Pro, and we'll start with the bottom. Let's move this plastic packaging to the side, and obviously the side with the bits sticking out here is for the front. So that goes in like that, and easy peasy, it clips on. There's really little effort required there. And let's just check that the lid opens. Yes, it does. So that's good news. Now next up we have our front one, which is a little bit more challenging. We have to identify where the front and back are. Okay. So this is a hard plastic for the case. Now there should be a slight change in the lip size for the front of the device. I'm not finding that. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3 bits here. 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's see. According to this MacBook Pro Retina, we should have 3 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So bottom on the inside, I'm not seeing an extra lip. It is pretty much a triangle. So let's take an educated guess that it goes like this. But to do so, I need to open the lid at 45 degrees. And the MacBook turns on. Here we go. And that's now in place. Great. So that worked. I'm glad to say it worked. So that means my MacBook Pro now has a shiny case on it that should keep it relatively safe. You'll see that at the bottom there is cutouts for allowing some heat dissipation off that aluminium frame that the MacBook Pro 14 has. Not that there's that much heat coming off that M2 Pro chip that is on the inside of this machine. You have the speaker and ventilation grills at the side here, as well as pretty good cutouts for the edge of the device at this side. And this is the hinge to the MacBook Pro. Well, that doesn't seem to be clipped in very well. Maybe I need to do the bottom again. Let's take this off, put it in that way. There we go, that's better. So now it's not flapping anymore. That could have been awkward going through airport security tomorrow. Okay, that's now in place nicely, it's clipped in. I'm happy. So yeah, we've got the appropriate cutouts, the little plastic feet space here, as we saw on the EOQ case for the MacBook Air 15 that we reviewed recently here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And in terms of hinge placement, I can open the case and there's no issues with the hinge of the device, which is good to see. Some laptop cases sometimes can cause hinge opening problems, but not in this case. Great, so I'm quite happy with this. This is the navy blue color. As I said, there's a range of colors available for this UESWILL case for the MacBook Pro. I think it's worth having a case on your expensive laptop, especially given how much repairs for Apple devices cost. So check out the links in the description. We'll link to our other videos about MacBook Pros and accessories, as well as MacBook Air 2023. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything else we think makes the travel experience better. Let's double check. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this. So thumbs up from me. For a less than £20 case, you get a lot of things. And my Sony camera has decided to not focus here because it really doesn't like Apple products. Anyway, if you made it this far into this video and got past the lack of focus on Apple products, please do accept my thanks. Goodbye for now.